Flashing in the eyes, so weird to be described, we could
Hello,
be. Oh,
Megan.
hello. Hi, there you are.
Can you see me and hear me clearly?
Yeah, I can see you and hear you clearly. How are
That's
you?
cool. That's cool. I'm good. Thank you so much. And what about you? How are you doing today?
I'm doing just fine. It's very hot where I am, and I just ran out of water, but it's okay.
Oh, okay. So if it's closer to you, you can take it. No
No, it's
problem.
okay. It's fine. I'm just trying to melt the ice inside.
Okay, okay, okay. And I just saw your message. You wrote me that there's a party going outside or somewhere.
Yeah.
So it's
Yeah, I
good.
did say that, but right now it seems like because I'm by the window and it seems like it's okay now. So
Very
here's
okay.
hoping.
I
Yeah.
yes. I don't hear any such sounds of party at this time, so it's good.
Yeah. What time is
Silent
it where you
background.
are? Ah, yes.
Okay, so I am in India at this time, and I am from India, by the way, especially from northeast, and it's time 2:30.
All
It's
right,
half
it's
past
2:30.
2. Yes, half past 2 p.m. at this time. And what
Oh, okay.
about you?
It's 5:02 right now. I'm in
Okay,
the
you're in the
Philippines right
US.
now. No, Philippines.
Oh, okay, okay. I got it. So
Yeah.
when did you come back home?
I came to the Philippines end of January.
Okay,
Yeah.
because
So,
I watched your introduction and you said that you are Filipino American, right?
yeah.
So and tell me that what's your citizenship exactly?
Oh, I am a dual citizen, which means that I am both. I have a Filipino passport and an American passport.
So is it possible to have two passports at the same time?
Yeah, according to both American laws and Filipino laws, you are allowed to be a dual citizen provided that your parents are dual citizens.
Oh,
Uh,
okay. So because
yeah.
of your parents, not because of you, because of your parents.
Yeah, both of my parents were Filipino citizens when I was born in America. And since I was born in America, that makes me an American citizen. And since both my parents are Filipino citizens, that makes me Filipino too.
Right. Exactly. Exactly. So now I got it. Got it.
Yeah,
So
it's a pretty
how
sweet
long?
deal.
Correct. Correct. I'm agree with you. And tell me that how long did you spend your time there in America?
I
How
was
long?
there for 25 years.
So it's like you grown up there, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's cool. It's cool. And tell me that uh, what is something I mean I'm asking about the culture. Okay, so what do you miss here in Philippines about America, I mean.
I think the biggest thing for me would be food.
Oh.
Honestly, that's what I'd say anywhere I go, though, because I also used to live in Korea and I used to live in
Hmm.
Taiwan. And if you ask me, what do you miss about Taiwan? Oh, Taiwanese food. What do you miss about Korea? Oh, Korean food.
Uh-huh. Okay, okay, so it's the main thing that you miss.
I really love food, man.
It is, it should
Yeah.
be. Okay,
hmm
so a very good question for you. So do you eat to live or do you live to eat?
it's not always about eating food. It's also about learning about food and smelling food and making food, right? I love to learn about the history of food as well. It's very interesting. I don't
So
actually eat that much.
actually, so you can say that you are actually living with food.
Yeah, food is life, right?
Right. So when you are curious, you are specific, you know? When you are
Hmm.
curious to know more about food,
Oops.
it means somewhere you are very connected with food.
Hmm. Yeah,
Okay.
I really
So,
like it.
so my second question is that which food, I mean American food or Filipino food, which one do you prefer the most?
That's difficult. I would
It means
say,
it means
um,
50-50.
yeah, I would say I grew up with American food, so I think I have a more
Right.
American taste, right? But Filipino food is also very delicious, and it reminds me of my family, right? Because even though we lived in America, my parents would cook Filipino food a lot. So I grew up with both, really.
Uh-huh.
But I do love like hamburgers, hot dogs, kind of things.
Okay,
But
okay.
Filipino
Got it,
history
got
is
it.
also very good. I don't know. It's very hard to pick.
Why did your parents decide to live in America? Because you said that you were born in America.
Oh, yes. So, well, they came separately actually. My dad moved to America when he was in his early 20s, and
Okay.
he wanted to make money so that he can bring it home and live in the Philippines.
Right.
And then my mom came to America because I don't know if you know about this, but in the 1970s, 1980s Philippines, there was a lot of political unrest, and
I don't
she
know
didn't agree
exactly.
with the government back then. So she wanted to live in a freer country. So she came to America. And that's when the two of them met each other, fell in love, and stayed there.
Okay, so your father met your mom for the first time
Hmm.
in America.
Yeah.
Oh, so it's like coincidence because two Filipinos and they went there, they met each
Hmm.
other,
Yeah.
and then they
Yeah. They
became
fell in
together,
love
right?
there. Yeah.
It's a
Although
it's a great coincidence.
I wouldn't know if it's a coincidence because there are a pretty big Filipino community where we are in America. So
Okay,
they actually met
where,
each
where,
other.
where in
Oh, New
America?
Jersey. New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay, quite
Hmm.
popular place, I know. Right.
And so my mom's, I think it's my dad's brother's wife who introduced them to each other. They were like, "Oh, I know this girl, you'll love her. Oh, I know this guy, you'll love him." And then, yeah.